Spin Screed is the world's first lightweight power roller screed designed to help concrete finishers produce stronger, flatter concrete surfaces. The corded and battery-operated Spin Screed power heads come equipped with a heavy-duty Makita right-angle drill that spins the screed pipe forward or backward. This rotation of the Spin Screed helps keep aggregate near the top of the surfaces, creating more durable, long-lasting concrete. The lightweight design makes operation easier compared to the competition. Other roller screeds rely on a yoke and pipe system to level concrete, which leave behind large voids that must be filled by pitching concrete back into the area. This is a time-consuming process, yielding uneven results. That's where the Spin Screed has the advantage. Instead of using a yoke and pipe system, the Spin Screed uses a steel bar that measures 1/4 of an inch wide and 2 inches tall. The resulting gap from removing the bar has 85% less fill volume than a yoke and pipe system. This means less pitching, less floating, and less wasted time. The result is a flatter, stronger, and higher quality concrete surface. All Spin Screed products are made in the USA and available on Marshalltown.com or at select Marshalltown retailers.